Your AI book on Amazon KDP will not sell without reviews, plain and simple. Reviews are the difference between a book that looks trustworthy and one that just disappears into the search results. In this video, I'll show you why reviews make or break your AI books, and the simplest ways to start getting them right away. If that sounds good, smash that like button and let's dive in. Alright, part 1, why reviews matter. Think about it. When you shop on Amazon, what's the first thing you check? The reviews. Readers do the same thing with books. A book with 0 reviews looks like a gamble. A book with even a handful of good reviews instantly looks proven. And since readers are already skeptical of AI books, reviews are literally your lifeline. They're what tell people the book is worth it. They also tell Amazon's algorithm to rank your book higher. That's why 2 similar books in the same niche can have 2 completely different outcomes. The one with reviews wins every time. Now, part 2, why most authors struggle. Most AI publishers fail here because they just upload and hope reviews show up. But they rarely do. Readers don't leave reviews unless they're either blown away or completely disappointed. And if your book is just raw AI text, you're more likely to get a bad review than a good one. So what happens? Their books stall at 0 reviews. Then Amazon buries the books and the publishers quit. And it's not because AI doesn't work, it's because they never built a review system. So that brings me to part 3, how to get reviews the right way. Here's the fix. First, launch to a warm audience. Friends, family, or even your own social media. Even just a handful of early reviews can make all the difference. Second, make your book review worthy. That means polishing AI drafts, adding examples, and making it enjoyable to read. People only leave good reviews if they feel the book helped them. Third, use Amazon's tools. Run a free promo or discounted launch through Kindle Select. When readers feel they're getting value, they're more likely to leave feedback. That's it. Keep it simple. A polished book, a warm launch, and a few honest reviews will snowball into momentum. And as a bonus, a tool that I really love to use is Book Bounty. If you're subscribed to me, you probably already know this, but if you're new, then you probably didn't. I have a complete tutorial on how to use Book Bounty to get reviews for your book. These are verified reviews, and they come very cheap for just a few dollars per review. And most of the time, they leave positive reviews as long as your book is good. So I'll go ahead and leave the link to that video right up here if you guys want to check that one out next. So if you want your books to sell, focus on reviews. They're the fuel that powers Amazon's algorithm and builds trust with readers. And if you want the exact system that I use to launch books, get reviews, and scale AI publishing into real income, it's all inside my course. The link is below. Make sure to subscribe for more strategies. In the next video, I'll show you how to turn one AI book into a full series that will ultimately multiply reviews and sales. Thank you so much for watching. If you got value, smash that like button, and I will see you in the next video.